wearing on you when you play both ways the entire football game. I mean, that is just a tough way, especially at the quarterback spot. He's about to blitz here.
3rd down and 5. Hudson pulls it down. Now throws. Got a man. Caught. And gets free at the 30, 35, 40. Got a block in. Has a foot race. Cuts back to his left. He's at the 30. And now trying to just string it out. He's at the 10. And he will score. And the Bucks with a huge pass. And that was Leonard Wood who held it and did a little bit of athletic moves himself to get himself free and score the touchdown.
Great throw.